Alex is building the Flask application. He starts the development server. Everything works perfectly. Later, he restarts the program. But this time, Python shows an error. This error is called address already in use. And it means another process is already using the port. Think of it like this. Alex wants to park his car in the parking spot number 5000. But another car is already parked there. The parking spot exists, but it's already occupied. Python feels the same way. When a web server starts, it listens on a specific port. Common examples are port 5000, 8000, port 8080. Only one process can use a port at a time. Sometimes the previous server was not closed properly. The process continues running in the background. When Alex starts another server, both try to use the same port. The first step is finding which process is using the port. This shows the process ID using port 5000. Once the process ID is known, Alex can stop it. Replace 1234 with the actual process ID. Another simple solution is using a different port. Now the server starts on a free port. This error is common in Flask, Django, FastAPI, Node.js, and many other web frameworks. This cause is almost always the same. A port is already occupied. Whenever you see address already in use, then check these things. Is another server already running? Which process owns the port? Can you stop that process or use a different port? Most port conflicts are solved in seconds. Alex closes the old process and starts the server again. Then everything works perfectly. Problem solved.